Good evening, everyone. This is going to be a tricky week. I am out due to COVID. Um, I will be back on Monday based off of my symptoms and when I started and all that fun stuff. So that's the plan, at least for right now, as long as everything goes the way it's supposed to. Regardless, you guys have some work to get done. There is going to be no quiz this Friday. Again, there is no quiz on Friday, September 10th. We're going to work this week on 3 assignments. We are also going to use this week for students who have missed class due to quarantine or COVID, or students from last Friday, my 5th period class. This is your chance to take the quiz that wasn't working on Friday. So you'll have class time tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, as well as your grade submission from last week. So everything's going to be kind of up in the air, hodgepodge this week due to just the situation. So you're going to have to work with me on all of this stuff and do the best you guys can. With all of the absences, there is going to be the online classroom. I sent a link to you guys this morning. Some of you guys may have seen it. Some of you guys did not. It is very important that you, the student, take some responsibility away from me. I'm providing you access to everything you guys need. That means you need to be able to work independently of me giving you every single step of the process. So use the videos I have. So down here, this is an online classroom video tutorial. Watch that. That'll give you some advice as to how to work on the online classroom if you've missed. Working with PDFs. There's one for the PC. Here's one for the Mac. This is an explanation of how to use Doc Hub. So a lot of the assignments I'm giving you have PDFs in them. You can work with them and you interact with them and submit them. Use these videos to help you. These are reminds. These are all the different things I've sent to you guys. Here's the agenda for this week, which technically at this point is thrown away. And this is that online classroom tutorial. So this is a YouTube channel that you can go to and watch. It'll tell you how to work on the online classroom. I'll go over a small part of that with this instruction as well. For today, for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, these are your 3 assignments. Okay, this is the one you guys have all seen already. I talked with you about this last week. This is the one that you're going to work on that is due on Friday, regardless of me being there. This is the physical piece of paper you guys all have. If you did not get it from last week, it is in the folder on the left side by the door. It is yellow, and it is the challenge number 3. You need to get this information right here and place it on here. Choose any 10 of the companies you want, fill those in. When you find this chart, you want to go from 1 month to 1 year and choose 2 of the companies and give me a drawn graph of what is actually going on with those companies. This is a physical piece of paper. You guys can turn this in. Actually, you guys will turn this in before you leave class on Friday for full credit. After class, it will be considered late. So please make sure this is in by Friday. This is a nice chunk of points. I believe it is 70 points. We have 4 points here, 5 points here. This is 50 points. Sorry, this says 30. This should be 50 points. And then these are both 10, right? So I'm rounding up to 70 for this one, 70 points. Please take advantage of those 70 points and get this done. The next assignment you guys have is Naked Economics, The Power of the Markets, Who Feeds Paris. So what you'll do is you open this up, and there's some instructions in here. It talks about downloading Chapter 1, The Power of the Markets. That download is right here. That is your article that you're going to read, or the chapter of this book. The questions you're answering, answer the questions, is in this PDF right here. So you have to interact with the PDF. So here's those 2 videos again to help you out. please use them if you are stuck. If you are needing help and a friend around you knows what they're doing, ask for their help. Please be wise about this. If the substitute can help you, they will gladly help you and do whatever they can. But again, the videos tell you how to do all of this stuff. When you're done with that, you guys will come down here and you will add submission. If you saved everything in your Google Drive, which most of you guys are on your Chromebooks, when you click on this, your Google Drive will pop up. This is where all of your information will be. Upload that from there, and then save changes, and you're done with that assignment. There are 12 total questions that you need to answer based off of the reading. So please take your time on that one. The second assignment, or the third assignment technically, is this article by Russell Roberts in regards to incentives matter. So here's the link to the article. It's a PDF. You can open up either there or here. And what I've done is I've allowed you guys to type on this one. So if you want to add a submission, what I would do is I would copy all these questions, add submission, and you can type in here. But I want to make sure that the questions are in there. So type your question and then the answer. Type the question and then the answer. If you work on a PDF and you want to make it into if you want to download a document that way, or Google Drive or Google Doc, you can do it that way as well. So those are the 3 assignments. Again, there is no quiz this week, official quiz on Friday. 5th period, this is your chance. I'm giving you 3 days to take your quiz. Okay, so any of the 3 days, you can take your quiz. You'll have 40 minutes to take the quiz. You are allowed to use your notes. You are allowed to use your vocab. In regards to the people that missed assignments, this is the online classroom. Anything you miss is in here. So if you've missed one of these grade submissions, then you go in and you submit your grade. If you've missed Stock Market Challenge number 1 or number 2, you go in here and you submit those assignments. If you missed quiz 1 or quiz 2, you will go in here and take the quiz. This is where you guys have to take some responsibility and jump on top of these things and do these on your own. Okay? Other than that, that is all I have for you. Have a great day, and I will see you guys on Monday.